Hey guys, this is Kirat and welcome back to the second episode of Student Life Lessons. Now this is a series where I take some brands, some incidents, basically anything, and tell you how you can learn from them as a student. Today's topic is getting rich overnight. Now I'm sure you have heard this saying a lot of times that you can't get rich, you can't get popular overnight. And that is true for the most part. You have to work hard, you have to be consistent, blah blah blah, hundreds of things. But the inception of social media has changed this concept a bit. Let me tell you what happened in the world a couple of days ago and you'll understand better. So Apple recently released their new operating system called the iOS 14 and it has a nifty feature. Unlike the last 13 years, now you can customize your home screen by changing your icons, adding some widgets and basically everything. Android has been doing this for the longest time, but you know, when Apple does something, it usually blows up. Now, somewhere in the world, this designer called Trav designed a set of beautiful minimal black icons and shared them on Twitter. The timing of this tweet was so perfect that it literally went viral in no time. All the iOS users around the world were busy experimenting with different kinds of widgets, different kind of icon sets. So this beautifully designed icon pack really stood out. Now this guy decided to jump on this opportunity real quick. He turned his icons into a paid icon pack for about $28. No one's ever sold an icon pack for iOS before, so he just took a guess and priced them at $28. Now that's fine. I mean, he must have made a couple of hundred of dollars by selling his packs through his viral tweet. But then his life changed overnight. MKBHD, I'm sure all of you know him. He is the GOAT of YouTube technology. Gave this designer guy a shout out in one of his videos. And turns out the viewers liked the icon pack so much that the designer guy made 70 lakh rupees. 70 lakh rupees in just the next 7 days. That's an average of 10 lakh rupees per day. Now let's talk about what can you learn from this incident. There are basically two key takeaways here. The first one is content/product is king. The designer guy did not create the icon pack with the intention of selling it. He just wanted to create a set of beautifully designed icons, as I've said multiple times in this video now. So whether you are getting paid for some work or it's a college competition or it's a voluntary thing, just give your absolute best and do the best work you can, because you never know where it might get noticed. I have one more example to explain this content is king concept a little better. I'm sure all of you have watched that Rashi Ben viral video by Yash Raj. Now this guy Yash Raj has been creating high quality amazing videos for the past couple of years, but none of his videos went viral like the Rashi Ben one. But that did not stop him from regularly creating this video. Now eventually one of his videos went viral. His subscribers increased from 2 lakh to 2 million in no time. But along with that, all of his previous videos also started receiving a lot of traction. I mean, all of his videos now have like 1 million views, 2 million views. So even though you are not going viral or not getting noticed, always focus on good quality content/product. The second lesson is jump on the opportunity. If you know a skill but you don't constantly update yourself according to what's going on around the world or in the market, you will lag behind. I'm sure there are hundreds and thousands of designers, even in India, who can design this same set of icon packs, but only a couple of them jumped on this opportunity and realized that, you know what, this icon pack, these paid icon packs could become a thing, and now they eventually did. A perfect example of jumping on the opportunity is Netflix and Blockbuster. Back in the day, both of these companies used to sell rental DVDs, but Netflix saw the future. They saw that internet streaming, movie streaming could be a thing, and in the future, these DVD players, these Blu-ray players, everything will become obsolete. They shifted to online streaming, while Blockbuster, who was way ahead of Netflix back then, just kept on going on with the rental DVD thing. And we all know who's the king today. Netflix is one of the biggest companies in the world and Blockbuster doesn't really exist. There is only one store left in the US, which is also on the verge of closing down. So yeah, jump on the opportunity. So yeah, that was it for this episode of Student Life Lessons. Let me know how was the episode down in the comment section. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.